What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today, Monday, and Bitcoin is down below $70,000. It closed a gap. It closed the CME futures gap that I've been mentioning. I didn't think that it would. I thought maybe we would go up, but strange enough, it did close that, and we're going to take a look at that. We're going to take a look at other markets, and then maybe we'll take a look at an interesting little meme play, a brand new token that came out yesterday. Could end up doing well. We'll take a look, speculating here. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, so Bitcoin, this is what it's been doing. Yesterday, which is Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, it did move down. Sunday, it went down to pretty much where it is right now, 67,500-ish, and I checked the CME futures and I'm like, but nothing happened. Well, obviously, Saturday and Sunday, these things don't move. So what happened? It retraced. It went all the way back. Bitcoin went all the way back, and then today it came back down and officially closed the CME futures gap today, just now, just not that long ago. We've been here basically all morning, afternoon. Okay, I don't know how much lower we go. Maybe we touch down here. Maybe we touch the bottom part right here, 67,260. I don't think we come all the way back down here to 64,000. I think something would be drastically wrong. Remember, tomorrow there is also an election. So last few days of this, I think is fine. Look, after these pumps, we do experience some drawdowns, sideways, and then back up, right? Drawdown, sideways, then back up. So same thing, drawdown, up, drawdown, maybe sideways, and then back up again, guys, okay? You can clearly see the trend is up, lower lows. I mean, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher high, higher high, higher high. Okay, so it's just that this area has been extremely tough. Remember, a whole year basically unable to get past this area. But we've stayed there. We've stayed the course, and we have to drop low enough to come back up and really break on through. Okay, we are in November as well. Okay, remember the first week of October was also not that great. How did October close? Let's take a look at that really quick, as we're on the fourth day of and we'll take a look at the weekly too, right? So I remember in October, for example, this is November. This is the month that we're currently on. But I remember in October, look at this. Well, let me just finish this, then I'll go over this one right here, which is October, the monthly candle. Okay, October we started out like this, red, basically creating the little tail, right? And so same thing. Okay, the wick, call it a wick. Same thing. I think right now we're creating the wick before we go the other way and create the body above the wick, probably somewhere around here. Another wick above, probably maybe even higher. I think October we do break all-time highs. Okay. Tomorrow there is an election that is going to affect it. Maybe that's going to have a short-term pump. Maybe that's going to bring us all the way back up here into the 70s. Because more than likely Trump, although the polls are close, supposedly, I think Trump is going to win. It's pure speculation on my part. And that's going to cause the market to, at the very least, in the short term, go up. Okay. Anyways, so this is October, and just as I had discussed with you the beginning part, we did the wick body. The rest of October, body went up higher. We went higher, right? So there was a wick above. Here's the wick above, and then the body. It closed just above the 69,179. So that's extremely bullish. I thought maybe we'd have a wick, but the body would close below 69,179. So I was happy with that, with October, the performance of that. That's really, really, really good. And so now, as we create the wick, no problem. This is a buying opportunity for you guys, all right? This is a buying opportunity for anyone that's looking to get into the market, even if it's just Bitcoin, right? We're still underneath all-time highs. Bitcoin is going to go much higher. Altcoins are also going to do the same thing, although they could be bleeding with Bitcoin for a little while. It doesn't matter. You stick with your plan. You pick out the tokens that you want. I would say focus more on memes, and then wait. Okay, just wait. The holding part is the hardest part. That's why they say hodl. Hold on for dear life. All right, so hold on for dear life. Position yourselves accordingly, guys. All right, so everything is looking fine. No big deal that we drop, that we close the CME futures gap is probably the reason why we're down here. Market maker manipulation. We could still drop. Bitcoin is dropping now, but we've been here before. We've dropped below. We've done this. We spent maybe a couple of days just kind of right through here, right? Boom, 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 boom. But I think tomorrow, maybe more than likely, we're gonna do a little V-shaped recovery, maybe get back up above 69,179. Let's see, and let's see how high that green wick, that green candle will be tomorrow. More than likely, I think that's gonna be the case. What's the Dow Jones doing? Dropping. Nasdaq, what's it doing? Holding. Although we've dropped the last couple of days. Well, Thursday and Friday, I would assume. Yeah, Thursday. This is Friday. All right, well, this is Monday. S&P 500. Same. Do we come back down here? Maybe it's possible. It's possible. We'll see. But I do expect things to start moving up. The dollar. Okay, after Friday, the big move up. Nothing on the weekend. Right, Monday, right back down. Okay, so that's really, really good. I think this thing is turning over. This was as high as it went, and I think this thing's gonna start coming back down. All right, let's see, what else did I want to bring to your attention, guys? I think really that's all. Bitcoin dominance is way up here on this line that we mentioned. Right now it's getting rejected, but I think it's, now that it's up here so early, we still have years to go, it's gonna go higher. All right, which means maybe the altcoins will bleed. Altcoins are bleeding. Do we come back down to this 180 billion mark, or do we hold this line that we're doing so far? We've tested it again. We've tested it a few times, always come up. Maybe we test it again. We lost at 200 billion. We're under 200 billion, 139. So it is what it is. That's altcoins. Okay, that's just how things are. All right, things have dropped, so your portfolio might not be looking as great. Although Mr. Miggle's still looking relatively strong. Mr. Miggle is going to do extremely well. They have a wallet. The whales have a wallet of $400,000, and they are going to use it for something. What is it? Could it be a tier 1 listing? It could be. If that is the case, this thing is going to go flying, and Miggles is going to do extremely well. Guys, the ones that I've been mentioning to you: Toshi, great buying opportunity; KeyCat, great buying opportunity; Dog and Me, also a great buying opportunity, guys. Able, same thing, and a great buying opportunity below this line. Although probably it'll end up being a wick. I don't know that we keep going down, but we've been here before for Apple. All right, and so things to look at. I've been looking at a lot of memes. I've been playing short-term plays with memes. This was one recent one. Went up a lot higher, but to know about this stuff, you'd have to join Telegram. It's a lot of work. Woof, another one. All these ones just came out today, by the way. All right, they go a lot higher. The idea is sell during this wick, because this is what they do. And the good ones will last, and the good ones will continue to go up days. This is like 2 hours old, for example. This one is an hour old, but I'm not going to talk too much about it. Doing all of this, though, you do find some ones that could possibly have legs. For example, one of them is this one, Haggis, 10 hours old. Could possibly already, the majority of them after 10 hours they've gone to crap and they're dead, right? This one so far, not bad. Still holding up pretty strong, good numbers, 3.9 million, 31.5 million market cap. Okay, not bad. Haggis. And another one that I think maybe could possibly be a good one, Cupsy. Although this one has dropped a bit, it went up higher. I have seen that quote unquote smart money has been buying as well. This one is how many hours old? This is on the daily, so it's 2 days old. Okay, so let's see. But this is like the Cupsy is a pump fund. It's like the mascot of pump fund, something along those lines. So it's interesting. 1.8 million volume. Super risky, but one of interest. Maybe you should put on your watch list, because it's such a low market cap. It doesn't take much for it to go up to 5-10 million. You do a 5-10x sell. Find something else to put it in. Put it in more your high conviction plays, like a Mr. Miggles or something along those lines. But this is tough to do. This is tough to do. I've been doing it last couple of days, but I've been in crypto for years. Okay, so it's not like this is new to me. I can do technical analysis, so it's not like a huge move to do this. So I invest, I actively manage my portfolio, so this move into like short-term trading into these meme coins can be profitable, although it takes a lot of time and dedication. Anyways, that's for not for these type of videos. It's more for being in a group, being in, for example, my Telegram group, where we have a bunch of tools, different tools, heavily bought stuff, and that we use to gauge, right, to look at, to find, and then up to us individually to go in and buy what we like and sell what we like. It's a lot harder to do in a group, saying, all right, everyone buy now, everyone sell now. That's tough, but we do put out the information, we are sharing, and we are helping each other. So, but it's in Spanish. Although there is one English speaker in there. $20 a month if you're interested. All right. So that's that. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Able's I think is at a good price. Migos I'd like to get under two bucks. I mean under 2 cents. 2 cents. Yeah. Let's go back to Bitcoin right now. All right. So my guess is tomorrow we're going to see a green day. Tomorrow I think is going to be a breather day. Maybe we even get back up to 70,000. I think after Trump wins, we could go higher. Let's see. Let's see what happens. We're gonna leave it there. So I will end it in saying, don't get shaken out. Don't get scared. Not this close to the best part of the bull run. All right, of the bull market, the bull run. I believe has already started. There are going to be red days. November, in my opinion, is going to be a very strong month. It's going to be an up month, just like October was. The first part of it, maybe not. Maybe the first week, right? Maybe not, but eventually, or even now, just the first few days, right? Just the fourth. Maybe tomorrow things start turning around, and we start going up again. All right, guys. So leave it there. Stay the course. Pick up good projects. Hold on to good projects, and you don't have to do trading. You can just buy and hold. And I have witnessed it myself because up until recently I haven't really done trading. Just buy and hold, and eventually, if you wait long enough, right? The end of 2025, you are going to see huge gains if you pick the right projects. But picking the right projects is not the easiest thing in the world. But there are people like me that at least put the different projects in your radar. The rest is up to you. Okay, guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff really does help. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.